Singapore's steep drop in net profit during the third quarter puts the spotlight on how slower economic growth could further dampen gamblers' enthusiasm. Just in October, share prices of Hong Kong-listed Macau casino operators fell after they reported third-quarter earnings that were lower than a year ago. Although analysts blame China's recent austerity drive for the poor performance, Genting Singapore's drop shows that even the resilient gaming industry may not be immune to an economic slowdown.
So the Malaysian market is generally much more resilient than the Singapore market in terms of overseas contribution, because the Malaysian market has a lot of local visitors who are going into the Genting Highlands theme park and casino. And also the Singapore market is more reliant on the Chinese players than the Malaysian market. And whereas the Genting Highlands has a large number of ASEAN players who are still coming in, even though the visitors from China has declined about 20% year on year. The other two issues which Genting Malaysia should need to worry about next year are, firstly, visitor arrivals are declining. That is mainly because the attractions are closed for renovations. So first half, the number of visitors going into Genting Highlands was down about 15%. But this tends to impact the non-gaming side of the business more rather than the gaming volume. The gaming volume or the VIP and mass market play was still relatively flattish this year. For 2015, I think that gaming revenue will be flattish at best, and it would largely depend on the whole percentage. The second thing which Genting Malaysia needs to think about is the impact of GST, because that being implemented from the April onward is going to take a big chunk out of the gaming revenues. So if once the 6% GST is implemented, like it's implemented in Singapore already, your EPS is definitely going to take a hit of at least 10%.
Malaysia's Genting and its hospitality arm Genting Malaysia will be releasing third-quarter earnings next Friday, and this could give further indication of a region-wide slowdown in the gaming industry. Wong Wei Shen, The Star Malaysia.